You know, I've often been asked why I do the work that I do. It is quite physical. It is oftentimes crazy long hours, sometimes daunting jobs to be able to get to the levels or the heights that I need to be at to actually do the work. I can honestly say every job that I have is truly an honor to be there, to be in the home, to be in the church, to be in whatever structure it is. Even a small piece often has a story. And I think it's those stories that delight me beyond what I can express. I perform hand-painted or hand-applied decoration to structure, to architecture. And so that could mean furnishings, that could mean walls, that could mean ceilings, just about anything. And I think that's what I love so much about the work that I do. It's not just something pretty that someone may discard later. It's actually something that's long-lasting. I've seen my work change families. It may start off of what they need in a space, but oftentimes it ends up being what they really want in a space. Once I can dial that in, all the work that we're doing is highly personalized. It's something very special to be able to focus on something so intensely, to be able to create something amazing. I'm really, really thrilled that I'm able to share this with the clientele that I have and educate more and more people about how special this can really make your home. It is an incredible feeling to be able to give somebody a gift that they didn't even know that they wanted. That's why I do what I do. There's honor in the work that I do and that many decorative artists do. Many times we're leaving a piece of ourselves everywhere we go with the purpose of creating an atmosphere for the clients that we serve that exceeds expectations. It's a special job.